Hi all, welcome to Salesforce in 5 minutes. In this video, we are going to understand what exactly is sensitive data rule in digital engagement. But before getting started, if you really like my videos, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. So first let's understand why do we use sensitive data rule. So let's say you have an agent A and there's a customer C, right? So agent talks to the customer, okay, using our digital engagement. We have I have created multiple videos on how the digital engagement is working and how you can set up and how you can use it. Now what happens is agent is trying to interact with customer is again trying to interact with the agent back, right? But in this cases usually what's happening is that the customer is sending his phone number along with that. Okay, customer is also sending his phone number, his personal phone number, so that he can tell to the agent that okay, rather than going through all these phases, just go ahead and call me, and then we can work on it. Then the agent can ask for extra money, right? At the back end, oh, like whatever I'm building right now, it he can go back at the back end and talk to the customer on his own, and then can charge him extra to get this work done. So it's what is going to do is, if I'm going to implement this digital engagement in any of my customers system or anywhere, he's going to have a loss because agent is directly trying to contact with the customer, and they are just exchanging numbers and getting things done on their own, and which is not profiting the business itself, and which is wrong. Exactly, if you are using the environment of this company, you have to adhere some rules, right? So customer is trying to send the phone number, or sometimes even agent is trying to send the phone numbers. So somehow I want to stop in these cases, right? So agent should not be able to send the customer the phone number, and also customer should not be able to send the phone number to the agent. So for that purpose, in order to handle all these kind of scenarios, what we can do is we there is something called a sensitive data rule in digital engagement. So let's quickly go to sensitive data rules inside the digital engagement. So it's same as that of the chat. I have already created a video on this, but it's same as that of the chat. If you want to hide some kind of unwanted messages, you can use this sensitive data rules. So I'm quickly going to create a sensitive data rule. Okay, handle sending phone number. Okay, so I've created the phone number, and then I have to describe the pattern over here. Okay, so my pattern is something like this. Okay, if someone is going to send the phone number out of the overall thing, if the person is going to send the phone number, this pattern is going to recognize that phone number or 10-digit number and immediately do something about it. And what it's going to do, the action is going to be described over here. Either you can remove that particular phone number, or either you can replace it with certain star or hash or something like that. So what I want to do is I just want to remove it. Okay, so let's quickly review how it's working. So hi sf infi, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So if you see, I typed 10 digits over here. Automatically what happened was the pattern worked, and what it did was it eliminated those 10 digits. So next time if someone is trying to send some kind of a number, the phone number itself will be eliminated. If you see the text over here in the pattern preview part, you can see that the text, the 10-digit number is completely eliminated. If you want, you can also replace it with certain stars or hash or something like that. You can do it. Okay, so if you see, you can also replace it with the this kind of keyword. So I just want to remove it, so that's why I'm going to keep it removed. So what happens is, anytime a customer is going to send the message, the phone number is going to get replaced or removed completely. Okay, now whom to enforce this sensitive data rules on? One is agent. If it is enforced on agent, okay, let's hover over it. Okay, if it is enforced on agent, so when agent is going to send the number to the customer, okay, that is nothing but the visitor in our case. Okay, the number will be marked to the visitor. Okay, but if visitor is going to send the number, if I select visitor and agent, both of them, if agent sends the number to the visitor, the number received by the number received by sorry, the if agent sends the number to the visitor, the number received by the visitor will be replace completely or remove completely the 10-digit number. On the same side, if visitor sends the message to the agent, the number will be completely removed because I have added both the roles inside the selected roles. So this is how you can create a sensitive data rule, and so you can test it over here itself. So if you and it will be applicable automatically to all the kinds of channels. So if you have text channel, Facebook channel, all the channels, automatically it will be applicable to it. So you don't have to go and manually apply to each of the channels. So it will be applicable to all the channel as soon as you make it active. So this is how you can hide the data, unwanted data, using sensitive data rules. If you found this video helpful, I request you to please subscribe to this channel.